Welcome students. Welcome to the course Economics, Finance and Entrepreneurship. Myself, Professor Ranabir Bonik of Department of Basic Science and Humanities, Institute of Engineering and Management, Kolkata. So in this lecture, we are going to discuss about segmentation and marketing. So what is segmentation and what is marketing, or how you start marketing? So first of all, you have to identify who is your customer. Based on your product and services, you have to identify who will be your customer. That is usually known as your customer discovery. So this is the first step when you start your marketing. You have to discover your customer, and then you have to target. So you have to identify your specific customers, then you have to target those. So then it comes segmentation. What is segmentation? Segmentation is the process of defining and subdividing your customers into distinct segments having similar needs, wants, or demands. So you are segmenting your customer section or dividing them depending upon their specific needs, wants, or demands. So that is called your segmentation. Then comes targeting. So what is targeting? Targeting or target marketing is deciding which potential customer segments your idea or your product or service will focus on. So you have already divided or segmented your customer section. Now you are targeting a specific customer section for your business. That is called your target. So segmentation always comes before targeting. So first you have to segment your customer, then you have to target. So segmentation always comes before your target, and it helps you to select whom you market your product. If you segment your customer section properly, you can easily market your product to the customer because you know whom to target. And remember, there is no way you can meet the demands of everyone. You cannot start thinking that by my product I can satisfy all the customers. So you cannot start selling your product or service to all the customers. Okay? Because you cannot satisfy all of them using a single product. So you will fail miserably. So don't go for satisfying all the customers. So it is always difficult to sell a lot than to sell a few. So you start selling a few. You target a specific section and then sell your product to that specific section. If you go selling your product to all the customers, you will not succeed because you will not satisfy your all your customers. So it is difficult. So sometimes it may happen if you start selling your product to all the customers, you cannot sell a single piece of your product because no one is wanting your product. So you have to first segment and see who will be interested in your product. Then you target them and only go for them to sell your product. Now, how you segment your customer section? So you can segment them using the geography. For example, this Baidu, this is a famous company only in China. So depending upon geography, this company is famous. Then Yandex, it is famous only in Russia. Okay? So depending upon the geography, you can segment your customers. Then you can segment by demography. So you can segment your customer section depending upon their gender, age, occupation, religion, or anything. So depending this kind of demography, you can segment your customer section. For example, let's say L'Oreal Paris. So this is an anti-aging cream. So the overage people or overage women will be interested in the product, not the men or not the younger people. Okay? So you have segmented your customer section depending upon their age and gender. And remember, you can this kind of demographic segmentation, you can segment your customer section depending upon more than 2 or 3. No problem. There is no point that you have to segment them depending upon only one. Means only one, either gender or age or occupational diligence. You can use 2, 3, anything. But depending upon this demographic, you have segmented them. Then segmentation by psychographics. Suppose Kellogg's. So this is for health conscious people. So you have segmented your customer section depending upon their health consciousness. Okay, so the Kellogg's products are only for their health conscious. Then you can segment your product depending upon the customer behavior. Let's say Starbucks. So they have segmented their users by their behavior, say daily use. So some of them use Starbucks on daily basis, some occasionally. So they know who are the customers, those are who will use their product daily or occasionally. Then you can segment them using the benefits. Suppose say Fair and Lovely. So they have segmented their customer section using their benefits. So Fair and Lovely have some specific benefits. So the customers are interested only upon those benefits. So you can segment your customer section using depending upon their benefits. Now, how will you select the appropriate market section? So you can segment your market section depending upon various points. It may be demographic, geographic, psychographic. So how you know which one is appropriate? Will you target mass market? Will you sell your product to all of them? Will you target a single segment? You select a single segment and you sell your product only to the single segment, or several segments or multiple segments, 2, 3 segments. So how you will decide that? Or you will go only for niche market. So we'll discuss this later. So and remember, it is always easy to sell your product to a single segment. Don't go for mass marketing initially. If your business is very famous or it has gone for 2, 3 years, then you can go for mass marketing. But initially, when you are starting your venture, go for a single segment or special kind of niche market.